In this video, we'll be talking about fruit borer. The first step is spotting the fruit borer. As you can see that there are red patches on the durian skin itself. This is another type of fruit borer infection. You can see the worm has already eaten up the fruit for one side and it is gone. And the black and brownish thing, it is actually the frass, which is the poop of the worm. However, the other side of the fruit is still edible, so you can still collect it. And for this fruit, you can actually see that the worm doesn't actually go inside the fruit itself. So under this situation, the fruit itself is still edible. So when you see a black patches or red patches on the skin, it doesn't mean that the fruit itself is spoiled. And this is another example of the fruit borer eating up the fruit. You can see the frass as well. And this one, the worm actually come out from the top side and it ate out one side of the fruit. And this one, the big worm actually ate up the one whole side, and it is still digging another tunnel to the other side. And it is actually still in the worm, so it is not gone yet. Next, we will be talking about which fruit is easier to be infected by the fruit borer. The left side is the D24 and the right side is the Musang King. D24 is actually easier to be infected by a fruit borer because of its sharp and narrow thorns, which make it easily catch the fruit borer eggs, while the Musang King is less likely to be infected by a fruit borer because of its pyramid shape and wider thorn. And next we will be talking about inorganic pesticide. Next we will be talking about the ways to control the fruit borer. The first way is inorganic pesticide. During the flower blooming season, you actually have to put the pesticide to stop the pest from infecting the flower itself. And then when the flower fertilized into the ping pong size, you have to put another times of pesticide again. And when it is grow big enough until a bowl size, you have to put another times of pesticide. So the next is, usually farmer wouldn't put the pesticide when it is about the durian season because it is not known whether the pesticide will be harmful to the human body.
Next, we'll be talking about the organic way to control the pests. So the first is using smoke and even sunlight to increase the temperature in order to reduce the number of pests inside the durian plantation. The second is wrapping up the fruit. This is a very common practice in protecting fruits such as apple, dragon fruits, so that the pests can in contact with the fruit itself. The third is using wasps. The wasps will target the worm's egg so that it kills the worms before it even becomes the worms. Lastly, some believe that using a special fertilizer will also deter the pests from coming to the durian plantation. Alright, that's all for the video. Please like and subscribe. And feel free to chat with us in the comment section below.